Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to create and share a folder in Outlook using the updated 2026 method. Now this particular method helps you organize the emails better and collaborate by sharing the specific folders with other people. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open Outlook application on your computer. You can also open it in your web browser. Over here, simply go to the section of inbox. Over here in the left hand side, you just have to click on the three dots where you see your email address. You can also just right click on it in order to see the create new folder option. Now once you see this option, simply click on it. Now you need to give your folder a name. So let's say I give it a name of project. Then when you hit enter, as you can see, our project folder is now created successfully. Now, in order to move the emails into this particular folder, you can just simply click on the inbox. Then you can drag and drop the email and it will come here in your folder that you have just created. Now, if you want to share this folder, you can click the three dots right next to it. Over here, you will see the share option. So you can select it and you can share that folder very easily. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.